Welcome. If you want to install iPhone keyboard on your VIVO X60 Pro, at first you have to open Play Store and get this application. Green Apple keyboard. We have to get this application, so let's install it right now. Open, then tap to enable in the settings, click OK for the 2 times. Tap to switch input methods, switch to English United States and tap Finish. Take a look right now. As you can see, our keyboard theme has changed. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.